Very much, Mr. President, distinguished colleagues. My name is Ahmad Lawan. I represent the Yobe Senatorial District. Mr. President, I have no doubt in my mind that the recent events of abductions, kidnappings, killings, and massacres have woken so many Nigerians from the slumber, the sleep. And as leaders today, this National Assembly has this most important responsibility to ensure that there is protection of lives and property of Nigerians. There is nothing today more important to Nigerians than protecting them. Mr. President, Boko Haram gradually is achieving its target. This thing started by way of history from the northeast. Now it's in the southwest. And the modus operandi are the same. Abduct school children and their teachers. They know education. And more problematic elements growing up to be illiterates, renegades, and of course, very good pool for recruitments. Mr. President, in the 8th Senate, we had a national summit on insecurity. And so many far-reaching resolutions were met. In the 9th Senate, it was the same. In fact, that was more or less a combination of efforts between the executive and the legislature, on the Senate particularly. Because the President Muhammad Buhari of blessed memory, was the one that declared that summit open. Mr. President, what are we waiting for this 10th Senate to prioritize the summit on insecurity? Because this is the most important thing for us to do. Why do we have to wait? We should take this as the most important thing to do. And therefore, I'm suggesting that we need the attention of the presiding officer. So, Mr. President, please, let's prioritize our summit. We don't have to be kicking the can down the road, saying we'll do it. No. If we set a target to do it in the next 1 week, Mr. President, we can do it. I know your determination. I know how we feel today in this Senate, having lost so many Nigerians to criminal activities of these armed bandits and other criminals. We have no priority better than this one. And I will submit that we may have the solution in the parliament. We may have the solution, because let's not assume that the military alone can do this thing. Military alone cannot do it. Military and the executive alone cannot do it. We, in collaboration with the executive arm of government and doing the right thing, not only throwing money to them, but ensuring that communities and others also participate in this, we can get to the end of this crisis. Otherwise, God forbid, one day, this Abuja, this federal capital, I don't know what it will turn into if bandits decide to say they want senators as their victims, because that is probably going to attract the highest pay. God forbid bad thing. Thank you very much, Mr. President.
Thank you. We now have Senator Karimi.